Welcome to Pero English. In this video, you will learn important shopping sentences to use in everyday conversations. Please pay close attention. I'm going shopping today.
I'm going shopping today.
Where's the nearest shopping mall?
Where's the nearest shopping mall?
I'm just browsing, thanks.
I'm just browsing, thanks.
Do you have this in a different color?
Do you have this in a different color?
What sizes do you have for this?
What sizes do you have for this?
How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
Is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
Can I get a discount?
Can I get a discount?
Does this come with a warranty?
Does this come with a warranty?
Do you have this in stock?
Do you have this in stock?
Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Where is the fitting room?
Where is the fitting room?
It fits perfectly.
It fits perfectly.
This is too tight, too loose.
This is too tight, too loose.
I'll take it.
I'll take it.
Can I return this if it doesn't fit?
Can I return this if it doesn't fit?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
Can I pay in cash?
Can I pay in cash?
Do you have change for a $50 bill?
Do you have change for a $50 bill?
What's the total price?
What's the total price?
Could I get a receipt, please?
Could I get a receipt, please?
Can I exchange this for a different size?
Can I exchange this for a different size?
Is there a special offer for this item?
Is there a special offer for this item?
What are your store hours?
What are your store hours?
Do you have a loyalty card?
Do you have a loyalty card?
Can you gift wrap this for me?
Can you gift wrap this for me?
I'm looking for something more affordable.
I'm looking for something more affordable.
Do you have a similar item but cheaper?
Do you have a similar item but cheaper?
Can I get a refund?
Can I get a refund?
Are there any discounts for students, seniors?
Are there any discounts for students, seniors?
Great job today. Keep up the amazing effort. Remember, every lesson takes you a step closer to fluency in English. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun and helpful English lesson. See you soon. Goodbye and happy learning.